channel. I hope you all are doing great, and this is the beginner's look which I have done today, and if you want to achieve this look, please keep watching. First, so I'm using my usual cream, Garnier Wrinkle Lift, and I'm going to apply a generous amount of this moisturizer onto my face. And at the same time, I'll go and apply Nivea Lip Balm on my lips. So I'll hydrate my face and lips. Then I have options for beginners, like you can use a Pond's baby cream, like my CC cream. What I'm going to use is I'm going to use a concealer. So this is Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm just going to take this under my eyes just to hide those dark circles and the blemishes I have on my face. So I'm just going to hide all that and a little on the forehead. Just this much concealer, and I'll use my fingers to dab it around my eyes. Fingers do give you a very nice coverage, so a sponge, a beauty blender, a kabuki brush, you can also use them as well. But because this is a beginner kind of a look, an easy quick makeup, and you don't want to go with the blenders and brushes, you can just easily, go and set your eyes and your face with your fingers and just nicely blend it. I think your fingers work really well, so just try it out, guys. So use your BB cream, CC cream, whatever you use for daily use, and apply that generously on your face. Once I'm done with applying concealer, I'll go and set with Maybelline Fit Me matte and polish powder. You can use your any compact press powders and just set your face. Take a little amount on the sponge. I'm taking a little amount on the sponge, and you just have to dab it really gently. Don't drag it. Just dab it gently under your eyes, on your face. I'm just setting the concealer I have used. So use any compact powders you have, girls, just to give that mattifying look. So I'm done with the face, and I'll just move on to my eyebrows. I'm taking Colorbar eyebrow pencil, and what I usually do is, first of all, I'm going to use the another end, which is a spoolie brush. I'm just going to brush my hair, and what I do is I use the product on my hand whenever I have to apply eyebrow pencil, and I use a Colorbar brush to carve out my eyebrows. So what I do for the simple and easy look, that I just fill in the sparse areas. And little strokes, just go with little strokes, just to give that defined look to your eyes, to your brows. If you want to skip this step, you can skip this step and just go with the next step. So yes, I'm done with the eyebrows. Now I'll move on to Kajal. So Kajal is something we all love and we all wear. So I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Kajal. Just going to apply it into my waterline. So I'm done with the Kajal as well. Now mascara is optional, so if you want to go with mascara you can go. If you want to skip this, like, depends on the time you have in your hands, girls. I'm just going to do a little strokes just to give that uplifting look to my eyebrows, sorry, to my eyelashes. Just little strokes, that's it. So you can skip this step. And I'm using Maybelline Master Contour by Face Studio, and I'm just going to use this blusher. I'll just pop this pink color onto my cheeks. Smile, just give that smile on your face and just apply this blusher just to give that rosy effect to your cheeks. So you have something on your cheeks, but it's not like too much, okay? And yes, so I already applied lip balm, and now I'm going to apply a lipstick, the last and final step, my most favorite step. And I'm using a Maybelline lipstick in the shade Chili Nude, and I'm just going to pop this color onto my lips. I've not used the lip liner, so that is again optional. If you want to go for it, if you have that much time, please go and line your lips. So this is the look I tried for the beginners, for the women, for the girls who do not have much time, and sometimes when you feel lazy, you don't want to do a lot on your face, so you can also go for this look. I hope you like this look. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be posted whenever I'm going to post my new video. And please leave in the comment section if you like this look and what all you use for the daily look, for office look. Please mention your products, what you use, and let me know if you like this video or not. Until then, keep smiling.